Hello everyone, this is my life wired, and today I'm taking a walk in Venice. I'm using this background, that's San Marco Square, can you see it? Yeah, it's over there. Anyway, taking a photo walk with my camera, taking some pictures, being a tourist. I'm shooting with the Lumix 12 to 60mm f3.5-5.6 lens, and only this lens. And it is awesome. The image quality is great. You have an awesome zoom. And the only downside of this lens is that it doesn't have shallow depth of field, or has a very limited low light performance, which isn't really a problem when you're shooting landscape, when you're going on a trip, taking some pictures of the city, on the streets, and whatnot. So it's really optimal for this type of shoot. And Venice is actually the city where I first discovered photography. And when I first shot photos and stuff and vlog with an A7 Mark I and a kit lens. That was my humble start. And I started with full frame, maybe not so humble. Oh well, starting here because I lived here on the island for 2 years. 2 or 3? 2 years, I think. Yeah. Eventually, I got fed up. I was done with the tourists. Too many people on the street. It's annoying to go shopping. So yeah, maybe we are revisiting the beauty of Venice. Here I realized that since I'm vlogging with a mask on, might as well just, do a voiceover. It doesn't change anything. You can't see my mouth moving. So, yeah. The park at the very end of the island, and I used to go there and run every day, pretty much. That's 3 years ago, I think. Used to run like 10 kilometers here, round and round, in this little garden here. Very nice environment. And over there, you see that church. That is Lido, and that island is San Servolo. There's a summer school. There's a Venice International University. Oh, we're here. Our nice view. Sunset, golden hour, and whatnot. A lot of people here. This is a Sunday. Everybody's free, chilling on a bench in a park. hanging out with kids. And really the zoom ring is really not that smooth on the Lumix lens. And I used to ride skateboard here as well. It's just really nice and quiet place. Generally quiet, not on Sunday today. It's full of people. And since it's autumn, I see a lot of leaves falling, turning yellow. It's a very beautiful scenery. I used to come here to shoot photos as well. Yeah, because it's just beautiful, especially in sunset, the golden hour. Perfect for portrait. Alright, we're gonna sit down here and have a rest. And in the back there, actually there's a tennis court. It's not quite standard, it's a little bit smaller than standard tennis court. You probably can't see it. And, ladies and gentlemen, this just arrived today. This is an Italian flag. Of course I'm gonna get an Italian flag alongside with American flag. Okay, it is yeah, just as huge as the American flag. Have to figure out a way to put it